Nestled within a compact neighborhood in Vietnam's Dong Nai province, BiBi House by Atelier TAs brings together a design that seamlessly merges tradition, functionality, and a sense of openness. Built for a young software engineer, this residence not only serves as a home for him but also welcomes his family, including his mother and sister. His primary wish was to create an open house that would allow family members to stay connected and celebrate together, especially during traditional Vietnamese holidays. The heart of the home centers around an altar, bridging the past with the present, uniting the family as they honor their heritage. The architects approached this vision by crafting the layout with two secluded structures, or boxes, that function as bedrooms and private spaces. These boxes serve as intimate sanctuaries for each family member while allowing the shared areas to flourish in between. Instead of merging these spaces with a traditional corridor, the designers opted for an open, airy steel bridge to link the two. This choice not only emphasizes the feeling of openness, but also lends a distinct visual contrast between the warm concrete of the boxes and the industrial sleekness of the steel bridge, creating a striking spatial dynamic within the house. The choice of materials in BiBi House reinforces the bond between nature and architecture. From the earthy hues of raw concrete and brick to the natural textures of stone and timber, the materials are chosen to age gracefully, reflecting the passage of time. This selection not only enhances the house's visual warmth but also contributes to its durability. As these materials mature and weather, they add character, creating a sense of history that parallels the family's own journey. A unique aspect of BiBi House is the spacious void between the two bedroom boxes. This open area serves as a dining room, encouraging togetherness and facilitating gatherings where the family can share meals, stories, and memories. Designed as a central communal space, the dining area captures natural light and offers a serene, yet grand ambience. The open floor plan enhances the sense of spaciousness, drawing visitors' gaze upward toward the large expanse of sky visible through the void. Raw brickwork, with its gentle variations in color, covers the floors and contributes to a shifting ambience as sunlight moves across the rooms. The flooring's warm tones and uneven surfaces produce a courtyard-like effect, where shadows playfully interact with the textures of the brick. This sense of organic transformation within the home brings a dynamic quality to the space, making every step feel part of a living, breathing environment. The altar holds a place of honor in the home, visible upon entering the house and situated on the second-floor balcony. This intentional positioning not only signifies its spiritual importance but also establishes it as a focal point in the home's layout. The balcony's elevated position provides the perfect viewpoint, reminding everyone of the family's connection to their ancestors. Meanwhile, a second balcony near the bedrooms functions as a peaceful retreat, designed with relaxation in mind and allowing residents to step outside and enjoy the surrounding landscape. Natural lighting plays a pivotal role in the design of BiBi House. Two skylights positioned above each balcony provide ample sunlight throughout the day, even illuminating spaces like the bathrooms. These skylights serve as windows to nature, transforming each room by allowing morning sun, afternoon light, and evening starlight to flood the interiors. The open structure also captures the natural sounds of rain, adding to the sensory experience and connecting residents to the rhythm of the outdoors. BiBi House, by embracing both openness and privacy, achieves an elegant balance where each family member can find solitude while remaining connected to the communal areas. This design is an ode to traditional Vietnamese values, thoughtfully modernized to suit the lifestyle of a young family. It symbolizes not only a physical dwelling but also a sanctuary for family bonds, where each gathering or shared moment builds upon their legacy. In essence, BiBi House stands as a fusion of architecture, nature, and culture, harmonizing personal spaces with communal areas. The house becomes more than just a structure. It is a celebration of family, continuity, and a profound respect for heritage. Every corner, from the altar to the skylit spaces, invites the family to live in the present while honoring the past, crafting memories that will be cherished for generations to come.